Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical pour-over coffee makers, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from with recommendations on what to use for what situations. Most products have spring releases, which support weight loss and improve energy levels, or are powered by inexpensive power rounds. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best pour-over coffee makers from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Chemx Automatic Coffee Maker includes 6-cup coffee maker. The Chemx Automatic Coffee Maker is a sleek and elegant pour-over coffee maker designed to bring you the perfect cup every time. With its 40 OZ reservoir, it can brew up to an 8-cup Chemx coffee maker, making it ideal for both solo coffee lovers and those serving guests. Whether you're making hot or iced coffee, this smart machine ensures consistent and perfect brewing with just a push of a button. This 6-cup Chemx coffee maker comes with a sample pack of Chemx filters, a glass cover, a filter brew clip, and coffee maker cleaner to get you started right away. Its timeless design and easy-to-use features make it a must-have for any coffee enthusiast. Please note that this product operates at 120 volt, so it's designed for use in the US. Every time with the Chemx coffee maker. Number 2. Cuisinart PurePrecision 8-cup pour-over coffee brewer. The Cuisinart PurePrecision 8-cup pour-over coffee brewer brings the perfect brew every time with its SCAA certification, ensuring it meets the Specialty Coffee Association's high standards for exceptional home brewing. This fully automatic coffee maker offers 24-hour programmability and auto on-off functionality, so you can wake up to freshly brewed coffee without lifting a finger. Customize your coffee experience with flavor strength control, selecting from mild, medium, or bold to suit your taste. The temperature control allows you to adjust the heater plate to your preferred heat setting, ensuring your coffee stays at the right temperature throughout the day. Plus, the Brew Pause feature lets you pour a cup before the brewing cycle finishes. Designed for ease and precision, the Cuisinart PurePrecision Coffee Brewer is the ultimate coffee machine for coffee lovers looking to enjoy rich, flavorful coffee with every brew. Number 3. SimplyGoodCoffee Coffee Maker 8-cup Automatic Drip Pour-Over Coffee Brewer. The SimplyGoodCoffee 8-cup Automatic Drip Pour-Over Coffee Brewer delivers the perfect cup of coffee every time. With a temperature range of 195 degree Fahrenheit to 205 degree Fahrenheit, it ensures optimal coffee extraction, brewing up to 8 cups in just 6 minutes. Developed by a 30-year industry veteran, this coffee maker offers a rich, full-flavored brew without bitterness. Featuring one-button operation and an optional bloom feature, you can enhance the flavor and get the perfect pour-over taste with ease. The 40-minute auto shut-off function ensures safety, while the glass carafe with mixing tube maintains your brew's warmth. Available in black and brushed stainless steel, the sleek design fits seamlessly into any kitchen. Its compact size makes it ideal for smaller spaces. Plus, it's easy to clean with removable dishwasher-safe parts. Backed by a 30-day satisfaction guarantee and a 2-year warranty, this coffee maker makes a perfect gift for coffee lovers. Number 4. Mr. Coffee 4-in-1 Latte Luxe Iced Hot Coffee Maker. The Mr. Coffee 4-in-1 Latte Luxe Iced Hot Coffee Maker is the ultimate coffee brewing system for any coffee lover. This versatile machine allows you to brew lattes, cappuccinos, and both iced and hot coffee with ease, all at the touch of a button. Its automatic frother adjusts speed to create the perfect foam, whether you're making hot or cold beverages. With the single-serve flexibility, you can brew concentrated shots or up to 16 of coffee, offering customization for every cup. The integrated measuring system ensures consistent and flavorful results every time. Its sleek, stylish design features a textured finish with chrome details, while the included reusable filter promotes a sustainable, waste-free experience. Plus, the double-wall insulated 22OS, a reusable tumbler, makes it easy to take your coffee on the go. Experience cafe-quality drinks at home with the Mr. Coffee 4-in-1 Latte Luxe. Number 5. Fellow Aiden Precision Coffee Maker 10-Cup Thermal Carafe. The Fellow Aiden Precision Coffee Maker brings cafe-quality brewing to your home with exceptional features and a sleek matte black design. Perfect your coffee with precise temperature control, optimal coffee-to-water ratios, and a built-in bloom cycle, delivering results you can taste. Enjoy effortless brewing with a one-button operation, a drip-stop filter basket, and a removable water tank for easy refills. Designed for versatility, Aiden offers brew precepts for different roasts, cold brew, and more, while also guiding you on the exact coffee measurements needed. Whether you're brewing 1 cup or up to 10 cups, Aiden's interchangeable baskets and dual shower head ensure even water distribution and flawless flavor. The thermal carafe keeps your coffee hot for hours, and with the upcoming app scheduling, you can even automate your brew time. Designed in San Francisco, Aiden combines style, functionality, and top-tier coffee brewing to elevate your daily routine. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.